Hey, this is David. Today I'm going to show you how to test the terminal block on an electric Whirlpool range with an oven that won't heat. The terminal block is where the power cord connects to the electric range so it can get the electricity it needs for your oven to heat up. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. First, we need to get our tools together. Today, we'll need a multimeter and a Phillips head screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your electric range by unplugging it or switching the breaker off before you work on it. Now let's get started. To check the terminal block, first, we need to remove the rear terminal block cover. Go ahead and remove the Phillips head screws that hold the terminal block cover and set it aside. Then we're going to check for voltage at the terminal block. For this test, the range needs to be plugged in and powered on. Please be careful to protect yourself from electric shock, which has the potential to cause serious injuries. Don't ever test live voltage if you're uncomfortable using a multimeter. Use your multimeter set to volts AC and put one probe on the white terminal and the other probe on the black. You should get a reading of 120 volts AC. Then move the probe to the red terminal and keep the other probe on the white wire. You should see 120 volts AC. Finally, move one probe to the red terminal and the other probe to the black, and you should see 240 volts AC on the meter. If you aren't getting these readings, then the problem lies with the house wiring, not the range. While you're there at the terminal block, first unplug the range. Then take a look at the power cord and wiring. If you see any burn marks or broken wires, they'll need to be replaced. When you're done testing, remember to reinstall the terminal block cover. Don't forget to plug the range back in or switch the breaker back on. If your terminal block is good, you can check out our other troubleshooting guides to find out what might be preventing your oven from heating. We've got thousands of videos to help you diagnose your appliances and make repairs. And if your terminal block is bad, you can order a replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can install it yourself. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. If you like this video, let us know by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.